Do you want to learn how you can sew darts on swimwear? Well, in this video we will show you how to achieve the perfect finishes for your bust darts of your top or your swimsuit. So keep up and watch our tutorial. When we have our dart already cut on our fabric, which is something you can see how we cut it on an advanced cutting techniques, you just fold the fabric with right sides facing each other. You fold and you pin on the bust area here where the edge of your cutting dart is, and on the lower part here, and the dart will be sewn here. Now, to sew the darts we have a special technique to avoid bulkiness, and that's very simple. We will, for the beginner methods, the easiest way is for you to draw before you sew. You draw the line on your fabric, and then when you go to your sewing machine it will be easier. Just follow the line that you draw and and sew a straight stitch. The stitch starts on the lower edge there, it comes on this direction, and when you see that the cut stops there, but we kept going, and when we reach the folded area of the fabric, we do not stop and we do not backstitch. What we do is we stitch 2 or 3 stitches more, like so. I'm marking here, and then we stop. We leave 2 long tails that we will then tie 2 knots and cut. And this is how you get the perfect bust point dart on your bikini without having bulkiness on your bikini. And I'm gonna now go over to the sewing machine and show you how to sew this line perfectly. So I had to go ahead and mark the opposite side of the fabric. So this one is marked on both sides, because of course when we go to the sewing machine we want to have our fabric to the right, and I want to have the edge of the fabric to my right and my fabric to my left. So I needed to mark the dots on this side. So now I'm just going to go with my presser foot down, needle down, and on this edge I can actually go back, but I'm first going to go to front, and 1, 2, 3, and now 1 back. And now I can go and follow the line that just like I told you. When the darts are sewn, of course we had to do it on the lining also. When the darts are sewn, either the beginner methods or the advanced method, the finish is exactly using the same process. So we just need to grab the tails of our dart. We tie 2 knots here. I cut the excess thread. I open the fabric slightly here, and my dart is finalized. And once it's on you, believe me, it will be perfect. We will do the same on this one, and we will repeat the process on the lining fabric, and that's how you do perfect sewed darts.